Okay, hello. I make some mistakes in my last presentation, and I was working to fix it, and I just wanna have the chance to show you that finally my code is working. So this is the login page. First of all, I'm gonna run validation, the HTML, and the CSS. This is the and it's working. This is my nav and my account, and this is the login. I go to the registration. Nav is working. You know, let me run the validation, the HTML. It's fine. I'm gonna run the validation for the CSS, and it's fine. And I go to my account. I go to the login. Go to registration. So yeah, it's working. This is my code. I know you don't want me to show this, but this is my code, and I have a hard time dealing with this, but finally I was able to get it done. Can you reconsider my grade and and give me one more chance? And that's why I'm sending this video. Please let me know. Thank you.